Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be crafting 3 games for a dear friend's baby shower. She is having a girl, and the theme will have all shades of pink. So I am creating 3 fun and super cute games for everyone to enjoy. Let's get started. I am going to be using my Cricut Maker 4 to craft these baby shower games. It is so much faster than the previous generation machines, and a must-have since I need to create 40 copies of each game for the guests. For the first game, I am creating little paper diapers with poop or toot inserts, and the guest who opens theirs and finds a little poop inside is the winner. I designed the diapers using shapes available on Cricut Design Space, and then I sent it over to my Cricut Maker to cut and score. I am going to stick this pretty blush pink cardstock paper onto the mat and use this roller to make sure that it adheres well. Once that's done, I do like to flip the mat upside down and roll it away to remove the design. This prevents it from getting damaged or bent. I'm going to carefully remove each diaper cutout and then use a little weeder tool to poke out any excess paper from the cutout. Once I have the diapers cut out, I'm going to create the poop and toot inserts. I picked out 2 super cute little images from Cricut and added the winner and just a toot text below the pictures. And then I sent them to my inkjet printer. After the print was done, I put it on a Cricut mat to cut each one out to the desired shape. What's really cool about the print to cut feature is that Cricut will print out 4 black corners, and that will help it identify where and how to cut each picture out. Once that's done, I am again flipping the mat upside down and rolling it away to remove the design. These turned out so cute. I think everyone is going to just love them. Now it's time to assemble. I'm going to fold the little paper diaper at the score lines, grab the insert, and just use a glue stick to glue it to the back. Then I'm going to fold and close the diaper, and it is ready to go. Each guest is going to be given one and open it to see if they are a winner. How cute did these turn out? The second game we are playing is Guess Mama's Belly Measurement. I started off by designing a foldable card insert in Cricut Design Space that says Guess the Bump. There will be a pretty pink yarn wrapped around this card, and each guest will get one and they will unravel the yarn and guess how big Mama's belly is. Once the design is finished, I send it to my inkjet printer and then I'll stick it onto the mat for cutting. I did want the card to have a little bit of a pop, so the words Guess the Bump is cut out. I will be creating little pink card inserts to stick to the back so that the words are pink. I could technically cut these out by hand, but it's so much faster and much neater with Cricut. After each one is cut out, I'm just going to use a little bit of glue to stick it on. I designed the card to have little round indents so that I can easily wrap the yarn around it. Once I do that, I will secure it with a cute little bow. I did add score lines to help me fold this card, and then I will add glue to the folded circular tab to close the card. Let me know what you think. I feel like it turned out so pretty. The last game will be Baby Bingo. For this game, I chose a pretty paper design that looks like it has torn edges, and I added the title of the game as well as the instructions using Cricut images and fonts. Once I'm done, I sent it to the printer, and then I'm going to stick it onto the mat to cut out the border. This will be the background of the Baby Bingo card. Next, I created the actual bingo table, and for the free space in the center, I created a heart cutout. After sending it to the printer, I will stick it onto the mat to cut out the square border, as well as the heart in the middle. The last thing I need to do is make the chips, and I'm going to use the same heart shape. Each bingo card will have 25 hearts, so I am arranging a bunch on a sheet so Cricut can cut them out at the same time. These hearts will be the exact same size as the heart cut out in the center of the table. Once that's done, I'm going to glue the table onto the background of the Baby Bingo card. And that's pretty much it. How cute are these cards? I am so excited for this baby shower and for my mama friend to see how adorable all of these games turned out. Comment what you think and if you'll be recreating these games. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.